I bought it for Lino, but she doesn't know that yet. She thinks it's for customer, so I'll tell her right here at gas station. See her reaction. She never had a car before, her own car. Now we have a matching 34.
やばいやばいやばいやばいやばい。
Purple. Hey guys, we're on the way to Stacked Ink in Osaka. We're picking up a motorcycle for one of my customers to export to USA. Guy that works there, Rob, aka Slippery 86, he has a cool AE86. I've been seeing it on Instagram, but I'm stoked to see it in person. He just finished putting all the kits and painted the whole car. I think one of the dope AE86. Their shop is pretty big and got a bunch of cool cars, so I'll show you guys. Well, we brought the step wagon to load a motorcycle, but that's not fun just to pick up motorcycle, so I got a new car, picking it up on the way home, and I'll have Lino drive it home. Just stay tuned till we go pick up a new car. Be later today after we leave Stacked. We just got the Stacked. This is Rob, by the way.
Morning.
The 86.
Hey man,
this
how's
is
it
the
going?
boss man. There's storage area. Where's your car?
Hidden down in the 86 row.
This one's the crazy one. What'd you say?
Lexus V8 with supercharger on it.
Wow.
It's got about 500 horsepower. Sounds really good, man.
Crazy.
This thing here was the world's fastest R32 GTR in 2003. Did like an 8-second quarter mile.
What the?
It's got NOS, 1700 horsepower.
Some customer bought it?
Nah, a friend of ours who lives over here, he owns the car and he brought it back from New Zealand with him. And we're gonna fix it up and send it to Thailand to race in this really big drag racing event.
This is one of Josh's JZX 100. Damn.
Sounds good, eh?
Yeah. Oh, here it is, the beauty.
Dirty at the moment.
Are you trying to sell this?
Not really trying to sell it, but I'm not stoked on it. So I don't know what to do at the moment.
Why?
No, it's not really my style. It's cool, but...
I think this is the coolest 86.
I just changed the aero twice and changed the wheels and I don't know, I just don't like it. Can I even get in it? I'll show you the engine.
Fitted out so good.
Power.
That power. That's a tall one, huh?
Yeah, 134 horsepower. It's It's good though. It's got like light and flywheel, like TRD close ratio gearbox, and 4.5 final drive, so it drives so well.
Oh, even here?
Rear one as well. That's 5
Wow.
as
So this must be super light, huh?
well. Yeah, it was like an XD1 car from like 2003. They shouldn't have to move.
Is this yours too?
It was.
You sold it? One of the cool
It is cool though.
K wagon. We call it wagon.
K-van.
K-van. With what wheel is this?
Long champs. XR4. Color match to the Aero. Inside's so nice. Yeah, that thing on the dash is a factory boost meter.
Oh, what? Turbo boost, baby. Even got gauges right
It was
here.
pretty quick, man, eh? It was pretty quick.
5-speed.
0.8 bar boost.
Really? No way. That's a lot.
That was quick.
This is clean. Oh, this is the bike I'm picking it up from. Stack today. GSX. Is it 1100?
Yeah, 1100cc, real old school.
This guy said this is his dream bike.
Yeah. It kind of sucks because we had a container lined up and then that fell through. And then we had another container lined up and then that fell through. So we build these like steel crates and just send to LCL. But then he said, oh, you're keen to fucking ship it? I was like, sweet, that'll be easier. That's mine. Bought that a few weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was a present from Ewan. Thanks, Ewan. Like a little thank you for getting some sales.
You guys like bikes too, huh?
Bikes are fun, man. It's a little 250.
That's cool.
I go.
This scooter's gangster.
Back. Right, yeah. Can I just hook this up here somewhere? Not really?
Alright. Bike is insecure. I'm surprised this Vans
Useful.
fits. Guys. Now we're on the way to pick up a new car. She's sleeping. This car, she doesn't know who it is for. Are you guys guessing who it is for? We are picking up a R34 4-door. So we picked up the car. The shop owner was weird, so I couldn't film much. But we gotta go to gas station right here. So I'll show you guys. So we got this HR34. I bought it for Lino, but she doesn't know that yet. She thinks it's for customer. So I'll tell her right here at gas station. See her reaction. She never had a car before, her own car. Now we have a matching 34. Bone stock HR34. Nothing has been done. My plan will be doing a full GTR look on the 4-door and get some stunt and wheel. I can tell her right now.
しやすい。
34好き？
好き。めっちゃ運転しやすいし。見た目。
運転しやすい？
うん。
これリンノのだよ。
嘘でしょ。嘘でしょ。
気に入った？
気に入った。嘘でしょ。
本当。
本当に？
うん。2人とも34。
やば。
34、2ドアと4ドアでマッチング。綺麗にしてかっこよくしようね。
やばい。しよう。超楽しみ。やばいやばいやばいやばいやばい。
So this car was one owner and she'll be the second owner.
嬉しい。夢みたい。
どう？新しい自分の車。So I got this for her. R34 and we're gonna build it later on.
楽しみだね。
His and hers gonna be R34.
やばー。
4-door for girl, 2-door for me.
夫婦で3-4乗り。
So 4 and 20 minutes more driving. We'll be home right before 8. So good luck in your first car driving 4 hours home. So she's tripping out. She thinks I'm lying, but she's really stoked. Hope she knows it's real. She still can't believe it. She got her car. But it'll be sick to cruise in her R34 and my 34, 4-door and 2-door. So we have been just cleaning the 34 since we got it and took the seats, carpet, this headboard, A-pillar, C-pillar, A-pillar, B-pillar, C-pillar, and washed it. Also last night we painted this cover, this, and the switch panel cover. Looks brand new now. And today we are getting new wheels delivered. We're just waiting on that to come in. Here it is, T37 OG bronze, 2011, 18.5, 22. We're gonna put it on the 34. Came to Up Garage to grab a stereo adapter. So I took a picture of the pin. So this is all we need. Alright, we're back home, and the part we just got it up garage, just plug and play. So we just got Pioneer aftermarket deck. It comes with these harness, like that. So we just plug these the same color, purple to purple. Got it all hooked up. Just in it. And I'm putting ground to just right here. good enough for stereo.
Ah, ついたの。おお。
We got everything back together with painted panels, center panels here, ashtray, and right here. Also right here. Super clean now. Oh, don't mind the masking tape. She's wiping this down, covering the fabric from getting chemical to get on. But everything's clean, smells like brand new car. But next, we're gonna get this thing registered. Next week, we're gonna get this thing registered. And today, we got delivery of coilovers for this thing. Once we register this car, we can put this coil on. And the wheels we got delivered today, lower it and put new wheels. どう？嬉しい。
嬉しい。お気に入りの。
Give this video a thumbs up if you like R34 content. Subscribe for more 34 content. She got 4-door 34 and I have 2-door 34. We gonna cruise soon. See you guys next time.